Hi guys, this is Sunaina Fauzdar and hope you're having a bright sunny day because clearly the rains haven't arrived as yet. So welcome to Check In with Sunaina.
Hello. What's happening?
I mean, check in with Chandana too.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How do I look?
Very good.
So,
So tell me, what's happening?
you know what? I just think that we shouldn't beat around the bush.
And
Beat से याद आया कि
ये
हम
आज की हमारी स्टोरी बीटरूट पे है. So should we start cooking?
totally come.
So tell me, Sunaina, you like to cook?
Cooking is, of course, not my forte, but I love to eat.
You love to eat. And what
Yeah.
is the kind of food that you like?
Actually, food is food. I like everything.
Good. You're not
Anything
very
that's
fussy.
tasty. No. I'm not fussy. And there's a lot of exciting things happening here.
So you know what, Sunaina? Today I'm going to teach you a very simple salad. Okay?
Simple. I like the word simple.
It's a beetroot salad. It's basically with rocket leaves. We have beetroot. We have
Right.
apple. We have sprouts. And I'm going to do a lovely dressing. I'll
Yeah.
do the chopping.
Right.
What you do is take these rocket leaves and just tear them apart. You can
Wow.
do that, right?
I love it.
Great. So let's get started.
So, this is something that I can actually have as a snack and
Yes, and you know what? So many times when in the evenings, when
Right.
you feel very hungry.
Hungry.
I feel very hungry in the evening.
Right.
And I don't know what to do.
So I'm a little curious as to what is going to be the dressing because I can't see any sauces here.
Yeah, I'll tell you, it's very simple. Either you can use truffle oil or you can use olive oil.
Okay.
2 spoons of it,
Okay.
yeah. And then take a little bit, just slice the orange,
Right.
yeah, and just squeeze that.
I love the color of the orange. Okay, this really looks like something that's really healthy.
Yeah, and you know what? You like the taste of it because it's got that sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Put the rocket leaves in this.
Okay, all of it.
Yeah, that should be fine. Mix it up. Add the wheat, which is the main ingredient of the day.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you like apples?
Yeah, I love apples.
Okay, so we'll put a little bit of apples.
Okay.
And
I
what
can
about
see cheese there.
yeah? What about sprouts? Do you want sprouts?
Yeah, a little of sprouts.
Yeah. Thank you.
I remember my mom used to give me sprouts ka salad when I was in school.
School.
She used to force me to eat that salad because she was like, this is really healthy.
Right. So you can use any cheese basically if you have got parmesan or if you've got goat cheese, whatever
Okay.
you feel like, and just
Okay.
put a little bit of that.
Okay.
See how pretty it looks. We've got green, red,
Red.
white, lovely. And we'll put a little bit of salt.
This is what salt
Rock
exactly?
salt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can we use the normal salt?
Yes, you can use the normal salt as well. And we'll put a little bit of pepper.
Okay.
We are done.
Wow.
Yeah.
You want me to just mix?
We start eating. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil once again. That's it. And we are ready. Now
Wow.
Let me plate it and give it to you.
Right. I can't wait. With all the colors in here, I
Yeah.
think this is a really nice post-workout snack.
So here it is. I hope you like
Yay!
it.
Okay, wait. Let's just have a selfie moment before we start eating.
Yes.
Come, take a plate.
Okay.
Not that I've cooked this, but I'm gonna
But
cook.
you've been a very big part of it.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna keep making this in future.
So Sunaina, you call a lot of friends home.
You know, you were there a few days back.
Yeah. So a lot of
Unhealthy.
stuff is floating around. Yeah. So I
Always.
just thought I'll make a dip, which is
Okay.
healthy again.
Oh wow,
So our
exciting.
hero of the day is
Beet.
beetroot, of course. So what I'll do is, I'll grate the wheat first.
Right.
Okay. Then I'll put a little bit of curd. Why don't you mix the curd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll add a little bit of salt.
Salt.
Then we'll add pepper.
Okay. I like the color that it's
Yeah.
getting into, like that pink color.
So it's mixed well.
Right.
So now we'll go into the kitchen.
Great.
अरे इसी को भी तो लेके चलो.
Ah, of course. Our dish for the day.
So Naina, you know I'm a Bengali.
Yeah.
So I love mustard.
So I took some curry patta, green chilies and mustard powder and gave it a good tadka. The whole flavor of the dip changed.
Our dip is ready. Ta-da.
So
Okay.
what we'll do is, why don't you pour some in the bowl
Okay. बहुत ही neatly.
and we'll garnish it with little coriander.
You know, I love the way how it's looking. That
Thank
pink and
you.
green, it looks
I hope
lovely.
you go home and try it.
Of course I will. This is the simplest thing ever.
Okay. And I've cut cucumber and carrot for you. तुम्हारे लिए मैं chips भी लाई हूँ.
Yeah, that's why I love you.
I love chips too. Chalo, let's dig in. Okay, thank you so much, Sunana, for coming.
Thank you so much for calling me. I just felt like I was chilling with you
I'm so
another day.
glad. And with that, we've come to the end of today's story.
Yes, and for more stories and fun videos, life hacks, cooking hacks, please keep liking, watching and sharing.
Aww.
Check in with Chandana.
Only on Travel with Dipti Bhatnagar.